Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little home decor. We are going to be doing the viral TikTok mirror. So y'all know the cloud mirror, the foam mirror by, the name is in my head. Gooseman? I think it's Gooseman. Anyway, I'll insert clips somewhere here. We're gonna be trying the viral TikTok, the cloud mirror. It seemed really easy enough. Honestly, you just buy some spray foam from a hardware store, spray it along the edges of your mirror, and it's looking like a fine piece of furniture. So that's what we're gonna be doing. It honestly shouldn't take that long. Shouldn't? I hope not. But yeah, it's gonna be going literally right here. And this little, I feel like it's like the best place in my room to put it. It's like a nice, right beside the window, a nice little space for a standing mirror. So that's where that's gonna be going. But I'm gonna show you guys super quickly what it looks like. It's fairly small, but I made sure to get a mirror with like a wide enough border so that it can hold the spray foam and doesn't necessarily take away from the mirror size. Because I know some people actually spray it directly onto the mirror, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to just go on the frame of the mirror, so I got one with a wide enough frame. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the mirror looks like, and then we're gonna get started. I'm also gonna do this in my room. I laid down some plastic bags, garbage bags on my floor. And like the main floor area in my room is big enough to do this anyways. So I'll probably just spray it first and see how it smells, and if so, I'll open up a window. But yeah, we're doing it in my room. Outside is too cold. It's looking like a frozen tundra outside, and I don't do cold. Your girl's meant to be in heat. We don't do the cold thing. So we're gonna be doing it in my room. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what the mirror looks like, and then we're gonna get started. So this is what the mirror looks like. It is pretty small, but like, you know, I can see my whole outfit, my cozy outfit in this mirror. So like, it's good enough. You can get the whole picture of like what you look like. So it's a good enough size, but you guys can see that the frame of it is quite wide. And honestly, the frame itself is nice. Like, it is a nice looking mirror. So if I really wanted, I could just keep it as such, but no, we don't do that. So the first set of instructions on this, so this is what I'm using. It is the LePage Tight Foam. Now, from the picture, when I went to the hardware store, I'll actually insert a clip of me even going to the hardware store. I did like a super quick vlog while I was in Home Depot, but the picture or the sample of this looked like it was white. And from this image, like right here, it also looks like it's white. So I'm praying that it's white so that I don't really have to paint it, because I don't really like that super yellow look. Like, we want it white, or like very close to white. Like, even if it's like a little off-white, that's fine, but that yellow, I didn't really want that look. So hopefully this is white. We gotta shake her up for 30 seconds vigorously. Wow, look at my whole arm. We're about to be strong. We're done shaking. So, oh, it also comes with this. I forgot to mention. It also comes with this spray. Whoops, this way. Comes with this spray, so the application process should be super easy. But yeah, we're done shaking, so let's get to it. All right, guys, we are just in Home Depot. I've come to look for the spray foam. I'm trying to do this mad quick. This vlogging thing while in stores is not for me. So yeah, we're gonna go to this section and grab the spray foam. All right guys, so we're in the area that you find them, and I'm trying to find the most neutral of colors. At the top it kind of shows all the color, and I'm thinking to get the one on the far left. It's still very yellow, but we're just gonna have to paint it. So yeah. We are done spraying. I'm out of breath. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but whatever. We are finished spraying our mirror. It actually looks so good. I think it's gonna look perfect in this corner over here. It's definitely a bright white, which is great. It's really like a blank slate for anything, so it's literally perfect. So we're gonna let it dry. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but I think I might let it set overnight anyways, just to not fiddle it and it, you know, perfectly sets in place. Because I know some people had some issues with it actually falling off and they have to go over it again. And like, I already used 3 cans and the mirror's not even that big. So I don't wanna have to use my 4th can if I don't have to. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let it set overnight, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for it. I don't know. I love like DIY furniture and home decor. So like this is literally perfect and super easy for honestly anyone. Like if you got 2 hands and 2 eyeballs, you're good to go. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow when it's all dried. Right, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a super fun little TikTok hack or viral TikTok craft, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. It was definitely super fun. I definitely, again, like I said, recommend for beginners that just want to add something to their room to spice it up. It was super easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please comment down below and let me know so that you know I can make more like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.